When it comes to replacing a faulty alternator, you have two options: buy a new one or have one rebuilt. While a new alternator may seem like the obvious choice, a rebuilt alternator can actually offer many benefits and be a cost-effective alternative. In this article, we will explore the advantages of buying a rebuilt alternator and provide some tips for finding a high-quality product. Customization. Some rebuilders may offer the option to customize your alternator with different features or performance upgrades. This can be a good option if you want to modify your vehicle in some way or if you need a specific type of alternator that is not available new. Availability. In some cases, it may be easier to find a rebuilt alternator than a new one, especially for older or less common vehicles. Rebuilders may be able to source hard-to-find alternators or rebuild an alternator using parts from a similar model. Support local businesses. Buying a rebuilt alternator from a local rebuilder can help support small businesses in your community and stimulate the local economy. Reduce waste. As mentioned earlier, rebuilding an alternator helps to reduce waste by reusing existing parts rather than discarding them and manufacturing new ones. Personal satisfaction. For some people, the idea of rebuilding an alternator themselves or having it done by a professional rebuilder can be a satisfying and rewarding experience. It can be a good opportunity to learn more about how your vehicle works and to take an active role in maintaining it. Value for money. In many cases, a rebuilt alternator can offer good value for money, as it can be significantly cheaper than a new one while still providing good performance. Quality control. A reputable rebuilder will typically test and inspect a rebuilt alternator thoroughly to ensure that it meets high standards of quality and performance. This can give you confidence in the quality of the product and help reduce the risk of any issues arising. Warranty. Many rebuilders offer a warranty on their rebuilt alternators, which can give you some protection in the event of any problems arising. This can be especially important if you are using the alternator in a commercial or critical application. Expertise. A rebuilder who specializes in alternators will have a deep understanding of how they work and how to repair and rebuild them. This expertise can be valuable if you need help with a specific issue or have any questions about the alternator. Personalized service. Buying a rebuilt alternator from a rebuilder may give you the opportunity to receive personalized service and support. For example, the rebuilder may be able to offer advice or recommendations based on your specific needs and requirements. Why you should not buy an alternator from a big box store. There are a few potential reasons why you might want to avoid buying an alternator from a big box store. Quality. Alternators from big box stores may not be of the same quality as those from specialized auto parts stores or rebuilders. They may be made with lower quality materials or may not be as well tested and inspected. Compatibility. It can be difficult to find an alternator that is a perfect match for your specific make and model of vehicle at a big box store. Specialized auto parts stores or rebuilders may have a wider selection of alternators and may be able to help you find a better match. Expertise. Staff at big box stores may not have the same level of expertise or knowledge about alternators as staff at specialized auto parts stores or rebuilders. This can make it harder to get accurate information or assistance with finding the right alternator for your needs. Warranty. Alternators from big box stores may have shorter warranties or less comprehensive coverage than those from specialized auto parts stores or rebuilders. Price. While alternators from big box stores may seem like a good deal at first, they may not offer the same value for money as those from specialized auto parts stores or rebuilders. Overall, it's important to do your research and consider all of your options before buying an alternator. In some cases, buying from a specialized auto parts store or rebuilder may be a better choice than buying from a big box store. In conclusion, buying a rebuilt alternator can be a good option for many people, as it can offer good value for money, high quality, and a range of other benefits. However, it's important to choose a reputable rebuilder and to be aware of any potential risks or drawbacks. By doing your research and considering all of the available options, you can make an informed decision that is right for your specific needs and budget.